This is my miter saw station. It combines two workbenches that will serve as workbenches, and as well as it will serve a bench top for my router table that will have its vacuum system hooked up. 230 centimeters long outfeed table, the lathe. That also has its own little vacuum system. And infeed table 203 centimeters. Of course, the miter saw has got its own little hood for the vacuum system. So a lot of this build is like my outfeed workbench. So if you want to go check that out, I'll put a link in the description to that video. I'll show you, excuse the vibrations and movements. This is it, and we're going along. Here it comes down to the miter saw vacuum system with a little box and the hood and the inserts, as now it does a 90 degree, and it allows me to do a 45 degree this angle, but if I want to go to the opposite side, it catches over here. So I made another insert that I hide at the back. So this comes off, and then that goes in there, and then allows me to do another 45 degree cut this way. And this is the lathe section, and it's exactly the same as that, but that's my outfeed, so I can get more cuts longer on that table than in this table. Looking for a track system that will come in here for stop block. Please, Rockwell, come to Porto. I could put in the future some drawers or like housing units over here for other tools or miscellaneous things, and cupboard spaces at the bottom perhaps. That's it for the shop so far. So if you like this video, please subscribe and hit that thumbs up. Remember guys, to always measure twice and cut once. Check you guys on the next build. Bye.